Getting real-time output using Subprocess. I am trying to write a wrapper script for a command line program svnadmin verify that will display a nice progress indicator for the operation. This requires me to be able to see each line of output from the wrapped program as soon as it is output. I figured that I'd just execute the program using subprocess.popen use stout equals pipe, then read each line as it came in and act on it accordingly. However, when I ran the following code, the output appeared to be buffered somewhere, causing it to appear in two chunks, lines 1 through 332, then 333 through 439, the last line of output. After looking at the documentation on Subprocess a little, I discovered the buff size parameter to popen, so I tried setting buff size to 1, buffer each line, and 0, no buffer, but neither value seemed to change the way the lines were being delivered. At this point I was starting to grasp for straws, so I wrote the following output loop. But got the same result. Is it possible to get real-time program output of a program executed using Subprocess? Is there some other option in Python that is forward compatible, not exec asterisk?
I tried this, and for some reason while the code buffers aggressively, the variant does not. Apparently this is a known bug. This URL, the issue is now closed as of August 29, 2018.
By setting the buffer size to 1, you essentially force the process to not buffer the output.
You can direct the subprocess output to the streams directly. Simplified example.
You can try this. If you use readline instead of read, there will be some cases where the input message is not printed. Try it with a command that requires an inline input and see for yourself.
In Python 3.x the process might hang because the output is a byte array instead of a string. Make sure you decode it into a string. Starting from Python 3.6 you can do it using the parameter encoding in Popen constructor. The complete example. Note that this code redirects dir to stout and handles output errors.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.